to maths class. In the last class we have solved the problems based on identities. Today I will be showing the problems from the exercise 6.4, the simplified part, which the problems are solved without using the identities. Now I am going to solve the problems from exercise 6.4. That is simplifying but without using the identities. Just let us see here children. The first problem is x square minus 5 into, you have to read like that, x plus 5 plus 25. See here, first term is x square, so I write x square. Then write the whole expression. Hope you remember how we multiplied the binomial expression. Next, what sign is here? Minus. Minus. This is second term. This was first term. Okay, second term into the whole second expression. The 25 as it is written. Multiply. X squared into x, x cubed. X squared into 5 is 5x squared. Minus 5 into x is 5x. Plus into minus, minus. 5 5s are 25. This plus 25 as it is. Cancel, which will get cancelled. There are no like terms to add or subtract. Then write the answer. Underline it. Very easy children. See again, same way. This is first term and this is second term. First term I write, then you have to write the whole expression. B squared plus 3. What sign is here? Plus. Second term is what? 5. Write the whole expression. Plus 5 as it is. Multiply. A squared into b cube is a squared b cube. Plus into plus is plus. 3 into a squared is 3a squared. Plus. Plus into plus is plus. 5 into b cube is 5 cube. Plus into plus plus. 5 3s are 15 plus 5. It is not completed now. Correct? So this is equal to a squared b cube plus 3a squared plus 5b cube. 15 plus 5 is 20. Then underline the answer. Now let us see the third problem. Similar way, first term, the whole expression. Then second term, plus the square, the whole expression. T into t squared is t cube, plus into minus is minus, t into s is ts. Yes, t into t or t into s both are same. Got it? Now, s squared into t squared is s squared t squared. Plus into minus, minus s into s is s cube. There are no like terms to add or subtract. I will just underline the answer. Again, first term a and with the second expression. What is here? B second term plus b into the whole expression c minus t. First you should expand it when there is binomial expression to multiply. Then take a plus a into c plus b. Then minus b into c plus b. 2 into ac is 2ac, 2 into bd is 2bd. Finished. Now let me multiply. A into c is ac, my plus into minus, minus, a into d is a. B into c is bc, plus into minus, minus, b into d is bd. Like this you have to multiply. You know to multiply. A into c is ac, a into d is ad, b into c is bc, b into d is bd. Okay, now let us see like terms. See here, minus ad plus ad, it will get cancelled. They are like terms. One is plus and the other one is minus. Similarly, plus bc minus bc, again they are having opposite sign. They will get cancelled. Plus ac is plus 2ac. Minus bd both are having same signs. I am supposed to add. So minus bd and minus bd is minus 2bd. Then this as it is written 2ac plus 2bd. Again there are like terms. You see 2ac, it is 4ac. Plus 2bd minus 2bd will get cancelled. Then underline the answer. See the fifth here plus y and the whole expression. Again similarly here, first term whole expression x minus, second term 2y, the whole expression. Again with the monomial it is easy to multiply. X into 2x, 2x squared, x into y is xy, y into 2x, 2xy, y into y squared, x into x squared, plus into minus x into y is xy, 2yx, 2 plus into minus 2y squared, plus xy minus xy will get cancelled. Then so 2x squared, see here, and 1x squared here. 2x squared plus 1x squared means it becomes 3x squared. See, 2xy it becomes 4xy. Minus 2y squared plus y squared. Both are having different signs but they are like terms. So we are supposed to subtract. So minus 2y squared plus y squared is minus y squared. Underline the answer. Got it? Children, next we will do the simplification based on identities. Just copy down the. Children, now see the problems which are based on the identities. Hope you remember all the three standard identities. What are those? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Along with these, I have taught you one more identity. What is that? X plus a into x plus b is equal to x squared plus x into a plus b plus ab. So using those four identities, I have to simplify now. Now if you see this problem, simplify exercise 6.5 fourth main. This is of the form a minus b whole square. See, two terms minus whole square is there. So I wrote the formula. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. You have to compare with the formula now. What's in the place of a? It is a square. So in the place of a square. What's in the place of b? It is b square. Just substitute now. For a it is a square. Again on the head there is 2. You have to write as it is. Minus 2 into a means a square. B means b square. Plus for b what is there? b square. Just substitute in the identity or in the formula. 2 into 2, 4. 2a square, b square. 2 2s are 4. Underline the answer. Only thing you have to identify which is the identity you have to make use. Now, you can see here there are two binomial expressions. You have to make use. So, let me simplify the first part. The first part is of the form a plus b whole square. So, I have simplified using that identity, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. What you are supposed to do? Compare with the identity, write what is in the place of a and what is in the place of b. In the place of a it is 2x and in the place of b it is 5. Just substitute now. So in the place of a it is 2x, in the place of b it is 5. 2x into 2x means how much it is? 4x squared. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. 5 into 5, 25. Let me simplify the second part. 2x minus 5 whole square. It is of the form a minus b whole square. Again compare and substitute. When you substitute, you will get 4x squared minus 20x plus 25. Now let me take the 2 also and do the problem. What is the simplification of 2x plus 5 whole square? It is 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. In the problem, what is there here? It is minus. Then open the bracket. Why have to open the bracket? Because it is minus here. Then write what is 2x minus 5 whole square. It is 4x squared minus 20x plus 25. 4x squared plus 20x plus 25 plus into minus 4x squared minus into minus plus 20x plus into minus 25. squared minus 2ab plus b squared. You will write down the problem below the formula and you will compare what's in the place of a. What's in the place of a? It is m squared, and in the place of b it is n squared m. So let me substitute wherever a is there m squared and wherever b is there n squared m. After substituting, let us simplify. 2 into 2 it is 4. 2 m squared into m. I have told you how to multiply. If they are same base, then add the power. So 2 plus 1 it is 3. N squared as it is. 2 2s are 4. M into square is m squared. Now m to the power of 4 minus 2m cube n squared and plus 2m cube n squared, it will get cancelled. See, the simplified part of this is this. And again, what is there here? Plus, written plus and written that part. The remaining part, that is 2m cube and n squared. Both will get cancelled. M to the power of 4. M to the power of 4. Then what is there here? N to the power of 4. M squared. Remaining terms are right and I will underline. Slowly you write down, children. Correctly identify the formula. Compare, substitute properly and simplify. Write down, no? From the same exercise 6.5, let us see the fifth main show that. See here, 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x is equal to 3x minus 7 whole square. This left side is called as LHS and right side is called as RHS. So let me take first part, LHS, 3x plus 7 whole square. Let me simplify, x square. So this is of the formula a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. When I expand according to that, it will be equal to 9x square plus 42x plus 49. Then here also RHS part, 3x minus 7 whole square. I will expand that also. When I expand, this is according to the a minus b whole square. So I will, what's the after simplification we get is 9x square minus 42x plus 49. Now let us consider complete LHS. What is LHS is 3x plus 7 whole square. What is the expand form of it is 9x square plus 42x plus 49. Then what is here? It is minus. Have written minus 84x. When we simplify this, these two are like terms. Which are the like terms here? These two are like terms. So minus 84x plus 42x means it is minus. Greater number sign is minus. So 9x squared minus 42x plus 49. Correct? Let me go for RHS. What's the RHS I have got here? 9x squared minus 42x plus 49. When you compare LHS and RHS, both are equal. Therefore, I can write 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x is equal to 3x minus 7 whole square. Same way, one more problem. 4p cube plus 3q whole square. LHS part you observe. Minus 4p cube minus 3q whole square. This is of the form a plus b whole square. If I expand according to a plus b whole square, I will be getting 16p square q square. 2 4s 8, 3s are 24. P q into q is q square. 3 into 3 is 9q square. Then what is the next part is then to expand, that is 4pq minus 3q whole square. That is 4pq whole square minus 2 into 4pq into 3q plus 3q whole square. So we are getting it is 16p square q square minus 24pq square plus 3 into 3 it is 9q square. Let me consider the whole LHS part. That is 4pq plus 3q whole square means what we got it is 16p square q square plus 24pq square plus 9q square. Then what sign is here? It is minus. I have put here minus. This expanded part is the, what's the expanded part? That is 16 p squared q squared minus 24 p q squared plus 9 q squared. Now let me remove this bracket. If you remove plus into minus, it becomes minus. Minus into minus plus 24 p q squared plus into minus minus 9 q squared. All like terms with different signs will get cancelled. Plus and minus. Here plus 9q squared minus 9q squared, but plus 24pq squared and plus 24pq squared is 48pq squared. That is nothing but it is equal to RHS. Like this you have to do the fifth main. Show that